peeps. Today we are, I'm Auntie Tay. If you guys are new here, that's who I am. If not, welcome back. And today we are talking about my membership versus Cricut Access. If you don't know what Cricut Access is, I did a whole video on Cricut Access if you need it, if you want it. But since then, I have actually launched my own membership that I love and I'm really excited about. It's called the Crafty Creators, and it is an amazing membership. Cricut Access is an amazing membership as well, and I don't ever think that you need to have one or the other above each other, but I'm going to literally compare every single thing about them and why they are what they are and why I think you should have them. Let's start with the designs. Okay, so when you become a Cricut Access member, you get access to a lot of Cricut designs. They're really cool, they're really convenient, and they're really easy when you're using Design Space. And they're always coming out with new ones. With the Auntie Tay Crafty Creators membership, you also have access to thousands of designs, and we come out with new bundles every single week, a general bundle and a Disney inspired bundle that you can sell. Cricut Access also has Disney bundles, but they are never included in your access. You have to buy them above and beyond. Ours are actually Disney inspired, so you can sell with them, whereas Disney has a license with Cricut Access has a license with Disney, so they are able to sell actually licensed Disney products, but you cannot sell anything with those on them. Another thing is our designs work with any machine anytime you upgrade, because it's a file that you can upload into Cricut Access, Silhouette Studio, Brother Scanning Cuts Studio, if you have an industrial vinyl cutting machine, or any other machine that uses vector images or PNGs or JPEGs, our designs work with them all across the board. Whereas Cricut Access is already loaded into their Design Space, you cannot download any of their images and you can't use them on anything else. Although they are very convenient that they're right there if you're using any of your Cricut machines. Ours are all included. So whatever you see on the internet that we post, you get. Whereas with Cricut Access, you only get access to anything that has the little A on it. If it doesn't have the A on it, you do have to purchase it. Fonts. Fonts, there are a lot of fonts on Cricut Access that you have access to if you're an Access member. However, you also have access to any fonts that are in your library on your computer. So going over to our membership, we have hundreds of downloadable fonts that you can download and put into your own computer system, which also means that you can use it on any of your machines. You don't have to just use them on Cricut Access. Whereas the Cricut Access fonts over here, again, you can only use with your Cricut machine or machines. And that's just kind of one of those things. We are also coming out with tons of new fonts all the time and give you access to any free fonts that we find on the internet for you guys just to download, and we share those with you because the internet is sharing them with you. So we love to share them with you and show you, hey, check out all these fonts you're allowed to use as well. Price. Okay, Cricut Access is $10 a month. Pretty self-explanatory, and ours is $8 a month. So $2 less and usable with every single machine, lots more fonts, and we actually have the idea that you guys can request SVGs in our Facebook memberships. So sometimes we even come out with custom pieces just for you guys. Okay, so the next thing you guys get with either Access is the discount to products. Now, Cricut's discount is 10%, and it's on only Cricut products. So you get discounts to their iron-on, to their vinyl, to their infusible ink, to their machines. It's 10% off, and you get that no matter what you do when you shop on the internet. And it's also, I believe you can also pair it with other coupons. So that's really nice to have, and if you buy a lot of Cricut products, then that is nice to have, and it saves you a little bit of dough in your pocket when you're buying from Cricut products. Now, Shop Auntie Tay is my shop, and I carry every color of Caesar iron-on or vinyl, HTV, it's called heat transfer vinyl, but it's the same as Cricut iron-on. We'll go into that a whole nother day. It's complicated. So we have every single color of glitter vinyl, easy weed, stretch, glow in the dark, flocked, all the colors that Caesar comes out with. We carry every single color. We also carry every single color of Oracle vinyl, indoor, outdoor, stencil vinyl. Every Oracle product they have, we carry it. And then we also have other products like print and cut products and bling and glitter and tools and lots of things in the crafting industry that maybe Cricut won't have, because Cricut only carries cutting products, whereas we carry every cutting product, bullet journals, and more, and tons of things. And our members actually get 20% off. So our products are actually higher quality products, but they're also already set at a little bit lower price than Cricut's products, and you get 20% off. So you see where I'm going with there? You're probably going to like shopping through shopauntitay.com more than Cricut when you're just buying cutting products. Again, I can't beat the machine's price because that's their machine and whatever. But we also have partners who we partner with, like Expressions Vinyl and other companies that sell other cutting products and heat presses and amazing things. And we also have discount codes to those as well. So with your Cricut coupon code over here, only can shop on Cricut.com. Whereas with your Auntie Tay coupon code, you can shop a lot of different places, and we're always adding to those places. So that's gonna keep growing. So those are the main differences between the two. Again, I don't suggest if you have one, you can't have the other, and if you have this one, you can't have this one. But if you are trying to decide which one is better or which one is better for you, then that is a one-on-one comparison to both of them. And I'm not even gonna give my opinion on where I think you should fall. But I definitely, in designing my crafting membership, tried to take into account everything that I liked about Cricut Access and then everything I didn't like about Cricut Access and make it into a membership. So I'm just gonna put that out there, and I'll let you guys decide. If you want to become a member of my community, wow, I just thought of that. If you want to become a member of the community, step down into the description box and check out any of the links there. You can become a member on auntietay.com, and it's a great community to be a part of. That word is going to be overused, just be forewarned. All right, I love you guys. If you're already a member, thank you so much for being a member. We have testimonials and awesome people in our groups that are always talking about how much they love being a part of it. And again, my brain is like this 24/7. So the more my brain does this, the more stuff is gonna come out for your members. All right. And then if you're interested in any tiers above our crafting membership, we have business membership and any new memberships that might have come out since then. But for now, we have 2. Love you guys. Bye.